Repco Ready-to-use Anti-Freeze Anti-Boil Coolant provides 3-year, 100,000 kilometre protection, meeting the demand of high-performance multivalve engines plus turbo and supercharged engines. The coolant is diluted with demineralised water for convenient ready use and offers maximum cooling system protection. Specially formulated to protect your vehicle in extreme hot and cold conditions, it combines ethylene glycol with a powerful corrosion inhibitor system that provides anti-rust protection, maximising corrosion protection even at high engine loads. Available in 5 and 1 litre bottle sizes, Repco Ready-to-use Anti-Freeze Anti-Boil Coolant can be used for service refills and top-ups. We recommend Repco Cooling System Flush when changing coolant to effectively remove deposits, scale and sludge from the cooling system. Consult your owner's manual for cooling system capacity and filling procedures.